Hi, I'm Christina Bergson with the Animal Law Firm, where we are fighting for the underdog. Today I'd like to talk to you about horses. We talk about dogs a lot at the Animal Law Firm, but we have horses, llamas, sheep, pigs, goats, chickens as clients, so I don't want to forget about our other furry family members. So horses can fall victim to a lot of different kinds of animal-related legal problems. There are things called adjuster liens, which is when either a tenant who is boarding a horse at your boarding facility or your farm or your ranch, and they refuse to pay under the adjuster lien laws. There's usually an adjuster's lien law in every state. You are entitled to put a lien against the horse or other animal until the tenant pays. Same thing for the tenant. So if you're boarding your horse somewhere and you feel you've been wrongly, your horse has wrongly been being kept from you by a boarding facility, then you can give us a call and we can review your lease if you have one. I always recommend, as with everything, that whether you're the tenant or you're the boarding facility, that you get the terms of your agreement in writing. Text messages are okay, emails are fine, but you should really have a contract in place, and if you need help writing one, we can definitely help you. Other things that we see here at the Animal Law Firm involving horses are veterinary malpractice. Horses are very big, delicate creatures, and they get injured very easily. Horses also have a lot of specialized needs that a regular veterinarian will not typically have. Usually you can find a agricultural or farm veteran, someone who specializes in large animals. Most veterinarians specialize in small animals like pets. So if your horse has been injured by a large animal vet or any vet, give us a call, because we see this a lot. It's very, I don't want to say easy, but it happens a lot with horses where they are injured or even killed. They get killed a lot, unfortunately, when they're victims of malpractice. Like I said, they're very delicate creatures despite their size, and they can get injured pretty badly pretty quickly, which can lead to either permanent disability or even death. Other things that we've seen at the Animal Law Firm involving horses are breeding contracts. Breeding contracts are very special and very important when it comes to horses because of the different functions that horses serve in so many people's lives. There's dressage, dressage. I don't always say that right, I'm not French. There's roping, there's driving, and there's just general riding for fun. There's also shooting. What else? I mean, horses serve a lot of different purposes for a lot of different people. Some are farm animals. They do physical labor. So, depending on what you're looking for, there's racing, of course. How could I forget racing? There's polo. Of course, and so there's a lot of different things that horses can do, and so their lineage and their heritage is very important, and tracing that line through the generations is also very important. So whether you're the seller or the buyer, if you are in the business of breeding horses or purchasing horses or using a horse for a particular need, that you need a particular type of horse, give us a call. We're happy to go over your contract with you. We're happy to write contracts. We're happy to help you in any way that you need. We're always happy to help our equestrian friends. So thanks very much for tuning in, underdogs. Take care and stay safe out there.